In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Notion for visual notes. If you've ever wanted to spice up your Notion pages with your own drawings, you're in the right place. We'll be using Excalidraw, a handy tool that lets you create sketches and diagrams and then easily integrate them into your Notion workspace. So let's dive in and get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to Excalidraw's website. It's a free and easy-to-use tool designed for creating hand-drawn visuals that look great in any presentation or note-taking format. Once you're there, you'll see the canvas ready for your creative touch. Go ahead and sketch out whatever you need, whether it's a quick diagram, a detailed drawing, or anything in between. After you're satisfied with your creation, look to the top right corner of the Excalidraw interface. You'll find a button labeled Share. Click on it and a new menu will appear. This menu gives you several options, but today we're interested in the Export to Link feature. This will create a unique URL for your drawing, making it easy to share or embed elsewhere. Once you click Export to Link, Excalidraw will generate a link for you. Simply click Copy Link to add it to your clipboard. This link is what we'll use to bring your drawing into Notion, so keep it handy. Now, let's move over to Notion. Open your Notion workspace and navigate to the area where you'd like to add your drawing. If you want to keep things organized, consider creating a new page specifically for your visual notes. To do this, click Add a New Page and give it a name that reflects the content or purpose of your notes. With your new page ready, it's time to paste the link you copied from Excalidraw. Click into the page and simply paste the link. Notion will automatically recognize it as an Excalidraw link. The final step is embedding the Excalidraw link. Once you paste the link, Notion will prompt you with an option to embed Excalidraw. Click on this, and voila! Your drawing is now embedded directly on your Notion page, ready to be used as part of your notes. And that's it! You've successfully integrated a custom drawing into your Notion workspace using Excalidraw. This method not only enhances your notes visually, but also allows for a more dynamic and personalized approach to information organization. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore the creative possibilities as you continue to use Notion and Excalidraw together. Thanks for watching, and happy drawing!